You will never believe what most music producers do to come up with content. But don't worry, after following what's in this video, you'll never run out of content to make. First lesson I learned was I had to define my niche for creating content that resonates with my audience, researching my target audience and refining my niche based on the research. Furthermore, developing a content strategy helps me plan and organize my content in advance. To develop your content strategy, you should define your content goals, identify your target audience, and plan your content calendar. This one I won't dwell on it too long because I'm still working on it. Investing in quality equipment can help improve your production quality of your content. If you have a budget, consider investing on a microphone, lighting, and camera. But before, do a research on different options and read reviews. Editing is a crucial step in content creation process, and I must say, I've learned a lot from editing. I also find it similar to music production where you have to arrange patterns. However, I've learned to make things simple and not overdo it with transitions and effects, using music to set tone and mood, color grading my footage to make it look professional. In order to keep on improving, I apply consistency. Consistency is key to building an audience and improving my channel. What makes me consistent is planning my content in advance, engaging with my audience, and respond to comments. Engaging with my audience helps me build a loyal community around my content. How I engage with them is by responding to every comment on my videos and inboxes on Instagram for advice and others to advise me. To reach your goals, stay patient and persistent. I've learned that success in content creation doesn't happen overnight. You have to set realistic goals and celebrate them. Stay focused, keep learning, and improve your skills. I have 11 more tips that helps me make content. Go to my site and grab a pretty visual of them.